Watch it do right here then. Look what's going on!
You see? Check that car. The left.
Oh my god!
Woo! Woo! We probably want to just stay.
We should probably make it on the right. Oh, that pole's blocking now.
It's gonna stuck.
Oh my god!
Trust me. Don't go anywhere yet.
I want to get out.
No, don't.
It's not coming down this side though.
No, don't.
Oh, look at another car.
No.
Look.
Don't do anything.
Yo, like, says it. Oh my god, it's crazy.
I mean, they have no control at all.
Tsunami.
They have no control.
Oh my god, those cars are gonna get screwed too. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
This is crazy. Look behind us.
It's scary.